Hello everyone and welcome back to another video here on the Lil'X YouTube channel. Today we have a cool review of an older MP3 player that I was able to find on eBay for cheap. I've actually had a similar MP3 player, but before we get started, I want to thank everyone who has subscribed. We have reached a big milestone of 108 subscribers to the channel. I want to thank every single one who has subscribed. And in return of that, I'm not a big channel, I don't have a lot of things to give away, but I do have two codes, one for Apple Music and one for YouTube Premium, 3 months and 6 months for Apple Music. I will link them down below or somewhere around the screen. Yeah, I want to say thank you to everybody who has subscribed. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Now let's go on and get started with this review. Now I found this MP3 player on eBay. I'm not gonna lie. It was pretty cheap. I believe around $6. And like I mentioned, I had one of these like myself back in I think middle school or elementary school. But here are some of the features. It has a 2-inch display. You can play, create music. Touch screen, of course, for what it is. It's touch capacitive. The battery is pretty good, 30 hours. It came with its own software that you could like do CDs, the screen, radio, and you get free headphones. So awesome. Not even the new iPhone comes with that. As you can see here in the back, we have some of the connectivity features. You can plug it into your computer, of course. You can't you don't have Wi-Fi or nothing to download music to. And back here, I don't know if you can see it, but it says it was released back in 2010, which is it sounds about right. Now let's go ahead and check it out. Have some scissors right here, I think. Yeah, here we go. We got some scissors, pretty small scissors, probably the only scissors I could find. Let's see what we can get in and open this device. Now obviously, as you can hear, this is a voiceover, and this is going to be kind of a cringy moment as I try to open the box here. Yeah, I should have just went ahead and grabbed the scissors, trying to go ahead and open the box, but we'll get it open. I might go ahead and fast forward this just for fun. As you can see here, cutting it at the bottom, trying to split the two parts apart. That's what I was thinking, just split them apart, pull them apart, but it's not really working that well. It's actually it's pretty good packaging, I'm not gonna lie. Things were packaged really well back in 2010. As we keep going through here, we'll let the music play for a little bit. I don't blame you. You would have already like skipped the video, but if you keep watching, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Alright, as we get on here with the packaging, opening it up from the bottom. And if you notice a kind of a boost in quality, I did get a new microphone for the channel. And here we go. Actually came with this warning that said that you had to charge it for 3 hours before you could use it. Warnings back in the day. Yep. As you can see here, you have the actual MP3 player with a 2-inch color display, which could play videos and you could have pictures on it. Mini USB, not micro. Headphone jack, power, and like a lock, so it will lock the buttons, so you can touch them when you have it in your pocket. The top has nothing, side has nothing. On the back, you have a microphone and a reset button. I guess if it froze, you could just poke it with like a paper clip or something. Now we go into the accessories. Now this one was easier to open, I'm not gonna lie. Just a real quick tear. Came with your instruction manual, warranty, and all that. I doubt this has any warranty. And our free headphones that not even the new iPhone no longer comes with headphones. So hey, that's a pretty good bonus. Pretty basic pair of headphones. Just if you've taken planes, you know how they give you complimentary earbuds. Pretty much the same, man. Same thing. Basic of the basics. As you can see, we have some paperwork, warranty info, and whatnot. I don't know if y'all really care about this. If you want to read it, our mini USB, a pretty short cable actually. I guess this is just meant for charging and syncing. Pretty nice. You just plug it into the bottom. As you can see here, another cringy moment. Yeah, I got it wrong. So just twist it around and bam, plugs right up. Plug it into your computer. USB 2, regular USB. If you have a new MacBook or any of the newer devices that only support USB-C, you are obviously going to need a dongle. As we check here some of the paperwork that it came with, you can see here. I believe we have a warranty. We had information about the device. Oh, register your product, which I tried. You can't register no more. Obviously, it's an older device. I thought that was gonna work regardless, but there we go. You can register your product. Here we have warranty information and our 35 free songs, which you can't get anymore. I tried to get them, you can't get them, and you can also get free ebooks and whatnot. I don't know if it came with a code, but if it came with a code, y'all feel free to grab it. I doubt this still exists. I mean, come on, we're talking about 2010. I didn't even have Wi-Fi back in 2010, if you could believe that. But as you can see here, we can put up all this, put all the paperwork away. Oh yeah, our start guide, which showed you how to, charge the device, plug it in, sync it, and here's instructions, which are in Spanish. I realized that, so let's turn it around. And yeah, we have the instructions in the back. It tells you how to pretty much use the device, sync it. I believe you could use iTunes to sync the device if you had a Mac back in the day. It tells you all the functions, play, pause, and whatnot. As you can see here, let's take a look around the device itself. Peeled the screen protector for the first time since 2012, or whenever they packaged this device. As you can see here, yeah, that's probably the last time this screen is gonna be as clean. As you can see here, I tried to power it on, but of course, it's been sitting for a long time, so it didn't power up. I guess I'll proceed to charge it.